Welcome to our channel. This video is about the Internet of Things IoT. In this video, I talk about the main challenges and important points related to IoT technology. These include problems with security and issues with scaling up. I explain why many companies struggle to find and make the most of profitable chances in the IoT market. If you are a business owner, a tech fan, or just curious about IoT, this video gives useful advice on how to overcome these difficulties and succeed in the world of connected devices. Please like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. The Internet of Things is a system where many devices are connected and can communicate with each other and with cloud services over the internet. These devices have sensors, software, and other technologies built into them, allowing them to collect and share data automatically. They can range from simple household items to complex machinery used in industries. The main goal of IoT is to make these devices work together to gather and share information on their own. This helps in improving efficiency and making smarter decisions in different areas. These are objects that have sensors and the ability to process information. They can collect and send data. Examples include smart thermostats that control your home's temperature, wearable fitness trackers, and sensors used in factories. IoT devices use different network technologies like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Zigbee to connect with each other and the internet, allowing them to share data in real time. The data collected by these devices is often analyzed using artificial intelligence and machine learning. This helps in understanding the data better and automating responses based on it. People interact with IoT systems through apps or control panels. This allows users to monitor and manage their devices from a distance. Devices like smart lights and security cameras make homes more convenient and secure. Wearable devices track health data and can alert users or doctors if there are any serious health issues. Sensors in factory equipment can predict when maintenance is needed, which helps to avoid breakdowns and reduce cost. IoT technology can improve city functions like traffic management, waste collection, and overall public safety by connecting various systems. Let us discuss the benefits of IoT automating routine tasks and improving processes. Automating routine tasks and improving processes can save a lot of time and money. IoT devices produce a lot of data which organizations can analyze to make better decisions and improve their services. Continuous monitoring of systems helps in identifying and fixing security issues, preventing possible breaches. IoT can help in conserving energy and reducing waste by managing resources more effectively. Even though IoT has many benefits, it also comes with some challenges. If these devices are not properly protected, they might be exploited by hackers. IoT devices collect a lot of data, and if this data is not handled carefully, it can lead to privacy issues. For instance, personal information might be exposed if the data is not well secured. Sometimes IoT devices and systems may not work well together. This can make it difficult to integrate various devices and platforms into a single system. Many leading companies have faced difficulties in making IoT businesses models working and in generating revenue from IoT solutions. IoT solutions involve many technologies and fields that need to work together. Finding engineers with the wide range of skills required is often difficult. With so many devices connected, IoT has become a major security concern. It is often called the largest attack surface in the history of computing because of the potential for cyber attacks. There are currently no universal standards for IoT. This lack of compatibility makes it hard for different devices to communicate with each other effectively. IoT devices are constantly sending data, which can strain bandwidth. This problem is made worse by the existing data demands from other sources. To gain widespread use, IoT devices need to be seen as secure and reliable. Building this trust is a continuous challenge. Companies are also finding it difficult to develop the right business models and market strategies for IoT solutions. Shifting from selling products to offering services requires changes in sales approaches, updating systems and processes, and evolving stakeholders effectively. Despite the huge potential of IoT, especially in areas like smart cities and industrial applications, companies need to address these technical, business, and customer challenges to successfully profit from IoT. Identifying the right opportunities and being flexible in the early stages of IoT projects are important to avoid expensive mistakes. Implementing Internet of Things solutions involves several economic challenges that can hinder their adoption and scalability. Let us discuss some key issues. Starting with, IoT requires a large investment in hardware, software, and infrastructure. Additionally, there are ongoing costs for maintaining and updating the systems as well as for hiring skilled personnel to manage them. These costs can be especially burdensome for smaller companies, making it difficult for them to invest in IoT projects. The economic models for IoT can be complicated. Successful IoT solutions often need low additional cost and the ability to connect different assets in complex environments. Traditional IT solutions might not feed these needs well, leading to a mismatch between the cost and the value generated by IoT solutions. When IoT projects grow, unexpected costs can arise. Initial prototypes might appear affordable, but as projects scale up, expenses related to devices, sensors, networking, and data management can increase significantly. Cost for cloud services, which often charge based on data usage, can also add up. IoT solutions need to combine various technologies, including hardware, software, and cloud services. Integrating these components can be expensive and technically challenging, especially when working with older systems or ensuring that different devices and platforms work together smoothly. Poor integration can lead to extra cost and operational problems. Effective IoT operations require strong connectivity. Limited bandwidth can affect the performance of IoT applications, potentially causing downtime and inefficiencies. This issue is more severe in remote areas where connectivity options are limited or expensive. As IoT technology advances, regulations also evolve. Companies need to comply with various rules, which can involve additional cost for legal advice, system changes, and ongoing monitoring to meet standards such as data privacy laws. Although IoT has great potential to improve efficiency and create value, the economic challenges ranging from high initial investments to complex integration and scaling issues can create significant barriers for many organizations. The Internet of Things has been a major topic in technology discussions for many years. In 2018, a report by Gartner placed IoT platforms at the peak of what is called the hype cycle. It was at the height of high expectations. IoT has not failed. On the contrary, many things in our homes are now connected through IoT. For example, we have smart speakers, smart TVs, smart thermostats, and even smart refrigerators that make our lives easier. But the consumer market is just the beginning of what IoT can do. Consumer gadgets are interesting. The real value of IoT lies in the business world. Most important IoT applications are found in the B2B, business to business areas rather than consumer products. In the B2B world, there are endless possibilities for innovation. Companies can attach sensors to their machines and connect them to the internet to collect real-time data. This data helps companies improve efficiency, detect problems early, and create new ways of working. However, many IoT projects fail despite the huge potential of the industry, which is estimated to be worth $11 trillion. More than 75% of IoT businesses do not succeed. The main reason is that many companies struggle to effectively use the data they collect and find ways to make money from it. It's not enough to just collect data from sensors. The real challenge is figuring out what to do with that data and how to turn it into profit. To succeed, companies need to clearly define their value to customers and explore innovative business models to make money. It can be difficult to immediately show how connected devices will make a customer's operations more efficient. For example, if a company has a defeat rate of 4%, reducing it to 3% might not seem significant without proof. In such cases, businesses should help customers run pilot projects to demonstrate the benefits and ensure these projects are affordable. Additionally, companies should support customers in using the data effectively. Just as Xerox shifted from selling copiers to renting them and charging based on usage, IoT companies might also need to rethink their business models. They could consider selling their products in new ways, such as through software as a service or performance-based contracts. Offering a subscription-based service with IoT technology requires the company to be actively involved in ensuring their customers succeed. One example of a company succeeding with IoT in healthcare is Philips. Their imaging devices has developed connected ultrasound and CT scan machines. Instead of just selling these machines to hospitals, Philips collaborates with hospitals to gather data on how the machines are used. They identify the right number of machines needed and find ways to remove inefficiencies. Philips pilot programs revealed that a lot of time was wasted recalibrating CT machines between different types of scans, such as head and abdominal scans, which require different settings. To address this, Philips created scheduling software that is included in their service package. This software helps hospitals plan similar procedures more effectively, reducing the time lost in recalibration. Another successful example is GE, which has developed sensors for wind farms. These sensors are attached to wind turbine blades and help adjust their angle automatically to make the most of challenging wind directions. By understanding the financial impact of turbine downtime, GE could develop a better maintenance schedule. This also helps in using maintenance staff more effectively. Additionally, the sensors work with weather forecast to help energy companies decide the best amount of electricity to sell to the grid, requiring minimal human intervention. Similar IoT models are proving effective. Farmers can use sensors not just on tractors but also to monitor connections between the tractor, hauler and storage bin. This connected data help farmers check if seeds are planted correctly and adjust fertilizer use precisely. In the transportation sector, companies are adopting an asset as a service model, selling everything from jet engines to tires with built-in sensors that determine the optimal time for maintenance or replacement. As customers become more familiar with connected sensors and see their benefits, they may start preferring them. This could lead to a situation where businesses seek these technologies to stay competitive. Thanks for watching this and engaging with us. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, I would like to receive your support. Please give it a like, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel.